Okay, let's make a pie chart. So in order to make a pie chart, you only want just one source of information, okay? So I'm going to highlight cell A2 all the way over to D2 and release. And then I'm going to go ahead and hold the control key down, and I'm going to select chocolate and go all the way over, just like that. So I have A2 to D2 selected, A5 to D5 selected. And now we go here to data, and I'm in the wrong spot. What you want to do is you want to go to insert chart. And let's see what it gives us. Okay, so it took the information and it came up with the best possible chart for us. Okay, now if you wanted to, you could go back over here and click on the shark's tooth here and look at the other options for the chart as well. But when you only have a single mode of information, it suggests the best chart for you to work with. Okay, so you can come in here, you can kind of change things around. You really want to get in here and mess around with the customization. Okay, so I'm going to click right here, customize, and I'm going to customize my pie chart. And I'll put in a border just to make it kind of fun. Ooh, look, you can put in a donut hole. Ta-da! Get it? Okay, 75. Ooh. All right, I like. You can mess with it. Okay, slice label. You could. We can put the percentages in there. Value. Let's see. There we go. There's the values of each of those. You can change the color of the slice by clicking on the slice and trying different colors. So I'm going to click this blue one and get a different color. Let's see here. How about that? I can click on February. Distance from center. Let's see what that looks like in just a second. Let's color it. Let's go like that. Distance from center. I don't know what that does. Let's check it out. Ooh. So it pops it out if you wanted. Okay, so there's your pie chart. To get back to it, I'm going to double click on it. Then I can, if I wanted chocolate in the center, I could put that in the center. I could change the font. All right, so do kind of get in here and mess around so you can see what can happen. There we go. Okay, maybe since it's a title, maybe I'll go ahead and capitalize it. There we go. All right, I want to set up the background. Let's see, where can I do that? I bet that's in customization. So I'm going to set the back, just click the background. Okay, so title and font. Okay, legend. All right, well, you can get in here, you can mess around with it. Oh, I like that. That's much better. Yeah, it's kind of cleaner. Aha, text color. Okay, so that changed that text color. All right, so there's many things that you can do with this chart, and I'm sure you can come up with something kind of cool looking. Okay, there you go.